Okay guys, going to ask Scruff. Let me just drop into the clinic. I go into this every single morning just to make certain that there's something there. So if I come in, here we go. Evening Scruff. What's your thoughts on JAP225, the Nikkei, as it's a product to trade in the evenings UK? Well, it's a little salute to LB for asking that question. It's quite a simple question to answer. I quite like it. In fairness, during the day in the London session, not so much. New York, sort of. But if you're looking for something late at night, it's actually a really good market. But what I will say about it is, though, one, it's expensive. So you need a decent account behind you. And don't get too worried on the spreads. The spreads look a bit scary, but also it has a huge ATR, so the spread becomes insignificant, really. But it does move, and if you're on the wrong side of it, you will know about it. So it's a good product to trade. In fact, it's an excellent product to trade. It's quite directional once you've got the direction in place, so you can hold the trade that little bit longer. But like I say, it's also a dangerous market because of the speed of movement and how far it'll move. So my advice on that is, if you were normally going in at, say, £1 a position, go in at 50p a position. Your money value at the end of it will still be reasonable, but it'll help you weather the storm if you get caught with it. It's the same with any fast-moving market, things like the Dow and stuff like that. If you're ever unsure of it, there's no problem trading it. Just size down a little and it'll smooth it out. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.